Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? So it is about 10 o'clock in the morning, and I just got back from my nail tech. Hey, Leslie. My nail tech is Leslie, which is my friend. So I just got not my nails done, my toes did because they were looking all jacked up. So I got my toes did, and I got my toes did because I going out and I wearing sandals and I never want to body up on my foot and go. So I'm going to a beach party today, and it's in Honduras, and it's called Festival of Floats, which would be the equivalent, or I'm assuming is the equivalent of Floatopia in America. So you guys should know that, or if you're from America, you should know that. Yes, so I'm really excited. We've never had like a floaty party in Jamaica, or not that I'm aware of. Let me say that because I'm not really versed in the party thing. Like, I just would aim start the party, so I don't know if back in the day they used to keep something like this. But to the best of my knowledge, it's like the first floaty party in Jamaica, and I'm really excited. I feel like it's gonna be a nice different vibe. Like it should be fun, and it's a cool effect, so you can bring your own alcohol and blah 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 blah. And it's on the beach, so that's great. So yeah, I'm wearing a straw set to go because I really wanted big curly hair, and this is the best I could do. I didn't want to wear a wig. So yeah, I'm doing a straw set, and I'm about to pull out these straws out of my head because I had to sleep in these like at a warm time. Guys, look at this zit. What's happening for my life? Hi guys. Two guys. Yeah. So I couldn't vlog any at all after I did my intro because I was late, because I'm me, so I'm always late. Candice is shaking her head, but I'm late. So now we're at the supermarket and we're just buying some stuff for the igloo because we don't have none.
No, you need to show them what we're putting in this igloo. We're the worst.
We're not really big drinkers. Well, I'm a big drinker, but I'm not gonna be drinking. I'm not a big drinker alive. I'm sorry. I'm not. Yeah, so we're just buying some stuff for the igloo just so we don't die. And we're going to stop and get.
Should I buy a little VX?
Don't you have VX?
A little bit though. It's from like the last Tabanka Tuesdays.
No girl, let me hold up. No VX.
Exactly. So, two. One
Two
bag
ice.
ice candy.
Two bag.
Who's selling over there? Okay.
Yes, so we're in the supermarket. What time is it? 2:41. Guys, we're supposed to leave at 12:30, which means we're 2 hours and about 15 minutes late. Candy says it will take us 45 minutes to get to Ochi. So we're gonna test their theory live. We've been in this KFC drive-through line for like 10 years. We just want to eat. We just want to reach Ochi. We just want to party. We just want to. You know, Candice just want to eat. Shanika, why is so silent back there?
I just want to reach, like, I've been up from like 9:30.
When you wake up 8 o'clock, so make a polish too and still late. Candice is fed up with me. Every time I have to go
Fed
out,
up.
I'm late.
Fed the hell
I'm
up.
the worst, but I don't know why. I think it's whenever I'm going out with Candice, like, but just because
I'm at the crossing.
I know late this often. Trust me.
Me at the crossing.
Like legit, every single time me and Candice supposed to go out, I'm late. If it's at 10 o'clock, I'm not ready till 12. Like something wrong. I just something with Candice. Candice on time and me, it don't work.
I'm at the crossing.
Yo, look on the side eye.
Apparently. Huh?
At that, you know, at that, Mama telling you what me. You see, no matter how late me is, Shanika later. Okay, no, it makes sense.
How?
So I'm always late, you know, but Shanika, she always later. Yeah, man, so like we tell Shanika 10. I know so we can start get ready at 10, because by 11:30, she will say, alright, me, I leave me yard. And she brought my back Candice. We have to leave Shanika.
Oh, good.
Yes! No, sir, what the food there? Say for you.
Aye! Service!
But not lie, I don't know if I'm hungry or hungry. I would just really want to go to the party, but we are big man.
Both.
Where's the behavior?
Just show me your worst behavior. All drums are playing here. This out of control.
Lady, why you want
Yeah.
me to die? The car can't manage. The car can't manage. People them must say, wow,
Shanika with the drum solo.
Money
We
man.
just drive out to KFC and we're dead hungry and we're eating. So the man begged some of the food. A food in the bag? We thought he was begging food. In the bag.
Something.
So we take out one of the fries and give him.
Not one prize, you know, like
No, as in like that, the whole pack of fries we get with your meal. The man fun we have. Like, girl. Like,
Where? On the road at him.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm sorry, when you see people, you know, empty people sometimes.
But all we did for no say him across it.
You collect them.
The man probably
I'm gonna say, come and give me the fries. Him
no, we're getting hungry now. We're saying, my mother always said to me, say, even though you're hungry, the man road hungrier. Give the man the fries, man, say, yo.
Like I said,
brother, what you mean?
oh, una give me on the eater like.
Enough.
Enough. Yeah. She don't know him hurt me a while ago. She don't come out and fight him.
So it's been 40 minutes that we've been in this car, which means Candice has 5 minutes to get us to OG. Candice, can you do it? Why are you rolling your eyes?
I am not Superwoman, but we'll be there in less than 15 minutes.
Less than 15 minutes, so that means it's go.
I told you between 45 minutes and an hour.
Girl, I never hear you say, oh, what? Shanika, you didn't hear she said, oh?
Yes.
Mama!
She said, 35?
But no.
45 minutes or less.
I bet you those cars that were in front of us that time reached. I bet you 100%.
They vanished, so they must reach. Which part else them could have
Just
done?
reach. Just wait.
We're still on the toll, and Shanika brought her air pump to blow up the floaty, and we tried to blow up the floaty in the car. So the floaty there. After 1 hour, not 45 minutes.
Boy, my baby, look at my boo.
Oh, that's. Oh, tired of you.
And see.
After an hour, we're at the location and we're trying to blow up the floaty. Shanika said the floaty going to take like 20 minutes to blow up. She said there's like 3 different areas to blow up. But I don't know what kind of hard life floaty this. Oh, but no fight money in it.
Is that just a big piece?
Ross. So I'm ready. Candice is ready. Look at that booty. And Shanika is blowing up the floaty. So it finally blow up. It's supposed to can fit all of us. And then
It's just for like if you tell water for all it to drag it.
yeah, we think we need it. So we're just going fine, finish, get ready, and then go inside.
Check 1 3. I see sim again. Lucy shit now. All of them, shut it. Get no shot, get no. Gonna people in the middle of the party enjoying themselves. On the first staging of FOF.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out.
Watch out! Come on up your mother. Please say your man take from me down rubber. Johnny young boots up in time this is under the kind of your fingers to your teeth like rubber. Don't let me go and take up your double in father. Get here! Get! See here! Over here, over there. Two places we got, so we get here. Get! Ready now? Get! Somebody done. No! Me not talk about later. Want me on like a Sunday cleaner. Yo! Everybody know. Over here, over there. Put the Plaza team ready now. Ready now. No, me not talk about later. Sasha say pull it up again. Ready now. Yo, Zaga. Ready. The way I'm at right now. It's the passer. I'm in love with the coco. I got it for the Lolo. This is so round with that nigga. Ride with a whole dang Keisha, smoking on Keisha. My lips out for they say I can't miss you. She's like high in the sky, no, I can't see you. Got a candle on my wrist, girl, I'm cashing out. Got a candle around my neck, girl, I'm cashing out. This is so round with that nigga. My lips out for they say I can't miss you.
Give me the world, give me the world.
Let me tell you shit. Tell you.
Can't believe I got a new friend. And if I know me, then I won't.
Watch out.
Please, baby, don't throw it all away. Mama, it don't fuck up, but don't give up on me.
Let me tell you, let's go.
Don't throw it all away. I'm in your way, grip on me. More like massage, come away from massage.
Well, the party's done after we've been here for like 2 seconds, but there's a beautiful sunset, so I decided to record that instead of being a frumpy ass girl. Shanika, how you feeling?
Like I want to party. Like I
Yeah!
I want to party.
Like we just done, like we're ready for the battle to start and it's done.
Like it's not like personally.
It's so much. We're not getting none.
Like we paid to literally watch the sunset in Ochi.
I'm really glad there's like a bunch of people still here. Like nobody want to leave just like me. Che. It's a crowd full of people because nobody don't want to go. It's too early. Like me expect that we'll leave here like 8, 9 o'clock. Like God no. This too much. It's too much. Hi.
What's up?
You good?
Good?
Say hi.
You're ready for leave now?
Yo, Festival of Floats,
You had fun?
fucking good.
Really?
Yo,
It was so
Trina,
What
no.
time you got here?
Early.
He got here early, so he had fun, but not us.
We need to stop coming to the parties late.
Yeah,
so
we
we
need
can actually have Candice can actually have a good review for
For her blog, like she can't even write a good review because she hasn't been here long enough.
Right.
Like it don't even make sense.
it wouldn't be fair. It wouldn't be fair at all.
Would you like to talk on my Snapchat and tell them what you thought about FOF? Okay, let's
Like between me vlogging and Candice getting content for her blog, like we're out of control.
Bad. Wicked again. Happy one again. There.
Yes, Craig, you gotta be
No.
there.
Gotta be there. Next time you gotta be there. If not, better don't even come to no other party. Don't go chilling. Don't go day drinking. Don't go nowhere. You have to day right yourself. Cool?
Was it really that good?
It was.
Damn, that makes me sad.
Next time I need to just bring a jet ski
and you pull some of them out. To be honest.
That would be awesome.
Everybody's saying it's time.
But just the one thing I never like is that
It ends too early, like it's still like the sun is basically still up. It just setting and the party done.
Why don't you have lights? Be safe.
Bye, sweet. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't know the time frame anymore. Alright, later. I see you.
Already.
Yeah, okay. So we're finally getting her shit together. We're gonna leave now. So we're gonna deflate this floaty and we're gonna make our way back to the car. Bye.